Let me show you what's going on with your forecast here, because clouds and radar showing storms and showers up in North Texas with the potential to reach down into central Texas later this morning. I think there's a better opportunity as we get into the afternoon, and honestly more so tomorrow. Tomorrow I've bumped up your rain chance to 20%. But temperatures this morning in the 70s and 80s, 79 in Austin, 73 in Llano, 80 in Georgetown. We've got more of those mid to upper 70s out across our eastern counties. Got a whole slew of school districts going back today, 12 here locally, including Round Rock, Fredericksburg, Manor, Liberty Hill, Hutto, Dimebox, Giddings. I mean, there's so many, and we're so excited for y'all. Wishing you a fantastic school year, students and staff. 100 degrees expected in Austin with a mix of sun and clouds, and a 10% chance of some spotty rain. Not enough to where we can bank on any rain cool there. I still think the heat is going to be the bigger story. Upper 90s to low 100s. When you factor in humidity along and east of I-35, we should see heat indices climb about 2 to 3 degrees higher than what the thermometer is going to show you. Yesterday, our heat index got up to 103 here in Austin. The rain chance that I'm talking about, it's not going to happen before noontime. I'm not thinking. I think a few isolated showers are possible here and there. Again, with the boundary up north, maybe a slight leaning towards a few isolated showers out across our northern counties. But in general, today's going to be like yesterday. It's not going to be heavy rain all over the place, just a couple little pockets here and there. I think tomorrow is a better opportunity for some spottier showers. This is going to be for your Wednesday afternoon, early evening, but kind of like what we've seen recently, even if we do get showers past sunset, they day off because they need the lift from the daytime heat. Thursday now including a 10% chance of an isolated shower. So no days looking like a washout. And these are really going to favor that 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. time frame. Once we get past sunset, we'll drop the rain chance, but it's kind of hit and miss over the next few days. As far as the rainfall potential goes, over the next 7 days, so these are rainfall totals, maybe a 1/4 of an inch. I don't think it's going to be widespread like this. I think most of us between 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 of an inch with these isolated pockets of more. And those could be anywhere, but they're not going to be widespread. High pressure is still out towards the west of us. There's also another one over here in Florida. But the fact that it's not centered right on top of us is why I'm even entertaining the idea of rain chances here locally. I think in general, it's going to be a whole lot of heat and a little bit of rain each and every day. 7-day forecast, high of 100 today with that 10% chance of an isolated shower. Could actually see a weak thunderstorm or two move in. So the lightning threat is there, but most of these just look to be the pockets of rain. 20% for tomorrow. We'll drop it down to 10% again Thursday, Friday. Thursday, Friday, a little bit more influence of that high pressure and the sinking air underneath it. Getting into the weekend, another 10% chance of an isolated shower looks to come on Saturday. But these temperatures will hover in the upper 90s, so just underneath that triple-digit mark. If we do hit 100 today, which I do expect we will here in Austin, that would be day 12 of triple-digit heat for the year here in Austin. Erica?